Hi there, guys. Good afternoon, good Tuesday evening. Heather Clontmaker with At Home Realty here. And I was just over on Instagram because I wanted to do a quick video to let the Instagram world know about a quick project I did in my house today that really transformed an area. And so then I thought, well, I should really go live on Facebook, hey Amy, so that you guys can see this cool project that I did as well. So we are in the process of trying to get our home ready to sell, so I can really relate to all of you sellers out there. And we had a wall in our entryway that was blank, and I couldn't figure out what to do with it. I had lots of ideas, most of which were very expensive, and when we're looking to sell, we don't want to do expensive decor things because you never know if it's going to fit into your next home, right? So what I did is I saw a picture on Pinterest, and this picture, and Amy, I think you might actually like this, this little project that I did, but I saw this picture on Pinterest and I was like, hey, I think I could replicate that. So I used Canva, and so this picture, it was two different pictures side by side, and it's one of them said be still and the other said my soul. So what I did is I used Canva, created the PDF print, sized it to the 18 by 24, which is a poster frame. I found these brushed gold poster frames on Walmart.com of all places. They were, I think, like $16 each. So the two together, like $32. And then to get both pictures printed at Staples today, it was $3 for both. So I'm like $35 into this project, and it really transformed the wall. So I went with the brushed gold. I know some people have, you know, gold and brass aversions. I used to too. The gold, hey Jen, the gold that's popular now is not the shiny gold of the 80s and 90s. It's a brushed gold, so it's completely different. But here's the project I did. And so I'm just gonna show you. Our house has a lot of kind of like mid-century features, and so I think that it works really well. So I'm gonna turn it around. Oh good, Facebook let me. So there we are. So that was a big blank wall before. And so this might be mirrored. I don't know if you guys can see it the right way. You can give me a thumbs up if it's mirrored or not. I don't know. But here's what I did. So yeah, I cut those pictures to size, had them printed at Staples. You could put anything on it if you're designing it yourself. Popped them in those frames. The frames are, like I said, they're kind of cheap, and they're not glass. They're actually plastic, but you really can't tell. So like Amy, Jen, you both have littles. That's a great way to have art that even if they knock it off the wall, you're still safe from, you know, all the shattered glass. And then we already had this Nornis bench from IKEA, which unfortunately I'm understanding they don't sell anymore, but absolutely love the bench. Threw a little rug on it and a couple of throw pillows, and it kind of goes with like the mid-century feel that we have in our living room. I have like a gold mirror over there too, but yeah, so really quick, easy, cheap project. It makes a big impact. I feel like on video it doesn't look as cool as it does in real life. Seems like things go that way sometimes with decor and with video, but in person it really feels like it, you know, kind of fills up the space. And like I said, I just love it. It was so cheap, so inexpensive, just the kind of decor you want to do when you're looking to sell. So if anybody decides to do a project like this or has any questions about doing it, let me know, because again, super simple, super inexpensive, and I feel like it majorly transformed our entryway. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you again soon.